नमस्कार, आजच्या बातमीपत्रामध्ये आपलं स्वागत आहे. चला तर बघूयात आपल्या आजच्या ठळक घडामोडी.
8th edition of Monkey Shoulder Ultimate Bartender Championship concludes in Pune after 7 successful editions. The 8th edition of Ultimate Bartender Championship by William Grant and Sons, the famous blended malt Monkey Shoulder, recently concluded in Pune. The 5th city edition of this edition was organized in Pune. The final round of the competition was held at Pimlico Koregaon Park. More than 135 bartenders from Pune participated in this competition with enthusiasm. The Bartender Rumble was a real bar test for the participants. The tests were based on skills such as pouring, aroma recognition, mixing skills, product knowledge, and the art of perfect serving. Tanish from Cobbler and Crew in Pune and Dinesh from Kora were the winners and will now compete with the winners from other cities in the national finales. This year's edition was hosted by Pankaj Bhalchandran, a well-known personality in the bar industry in India.
So my name is Pankaj and I'm the host for the Monkey Shoulder Ultimate Bartender Championship. Today we are here at the Pune round of the Ultimate Bartender Championship. ये competition में skill based levels और rounds होता है. One of the rounds that the bartenders are tested on their knowledge. Second being whether they can nose and identify spirits. The third round being service and the fourth round being pouring. तो ये rounds के जो bartenders सबसे ज़्यादा scoring करते हैं उनको the final round which is round building में जाता है. और यहाँ पे bartenders को in 3 minutes they have to make 6 cocktails and जो सबसे ये सब rounds का सबसे ज़्यादा point जिसको score होगा वो फिनाले इंडिया फिनाले में जाएंगे which will happen in गुड़गांव. and फिर से एक national level competition होगा जो हर एक region का bartenders will come together and then the winner from that round will represent India in Tokyo in Japan for the finale.
तो आज का जो अभी जो कंपटीशन चल रहा है पुणे में, तो यहाँ से कहाँ से पार्टिसिपेंट आए हुए हैं और किस प्रकार से आपको प्रदर्शन देखने को मिला है?
So this round is primarily for Pune bartenders, so everyone in and around Pune has come here. Similarly हमने हर एक सिटी में एक राउंड किया हुआ है. So already we have done Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Delhi, and this is the 5th city which is Pune. And similarly we will do a round in Bombay and Goa as well. And so I mean I am yet to see the scores and everything, so I don't know performance कैसा रहा अभी तक. But obviously everyone is busy with their own respective rounds. हमें about 2 p.m. we will know that how they have performed compared to other cities. But yeah, there is 100 से ज़्यादा bartenders हैं यहाँ पे जो participate कर रहे हैं, which is a big number for Pune as a city. It shows that कि और bartenders और bars यहाँ पे हैं जो interested है ये to prove themselves to be a national icon. So it's a great feeling.
कितने लोग आगे जाएंगे जो इसमें से?
For Pune round only 2 people will be selected for the finale. So every city there are 2 or 3 people. Pune there will be only 2.
कितने सिटी में ये चल रहा है?
Yes.
कितने सिटी?
About 8 cities. Yeah. So
जो नया यूथ है जिनको बारटेंडर बनना है और इस तरह का जो प्रोफेशन में जाना है, तो उनके लिए क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज है और उनके क्या प्रोसेस है वो इस जॉब में आ सके?
I mean bartenders today are one of the most lucrative career options for sure, who are passionate about it, because it's not easy job. It's not like sitting on a desk and working. It is putting in the hours, putting in the hard work, and I think a lot many more people are realizing that अगर सही तरह से ट्रेनिंग और समय स्पेंड करें कि बार्स में उनको ग्रोथ इतना अच्छा मिलता है कि it is as good as any other profession in the country. And with more and more people getting into F&B, more and more bartenders are required. So there is no dearth for talent, and more professionals are coming into the industry, which makes it very a highly effective career option according to me.
Talk to me, say, go talk to me, say.